Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss general knowledge questions for PPSC and FPSC. Question number 1 is the busiest shipping area in the world is, and the right answer is English Channel. Question number 2, the headquarters of Transparency International is located in, and the right answer is Berlin. Question number 3, NATO is an alliance, and the right answer is the NATO is an alliance, military alliance. Question number 4, the Suez Canal is in, and the right answer is Egypt. Question number 5, Suez Canal connects the Dash Sea, and the right answer is Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea. Question number 6, the largest island in the Indian Ocean is, and the right answer is Madagascar. Question number 7, what price is considered as a benchmark price in an oil industry? And the right answer is Brent crude. Question number 8, benchmark oil price is in United States is, and the right answer is WTI crude. Question number 9, the world's longest land border between the two countries is the border between, and the right answer is US and Canada. Question number 10, the world's largest island is, and the right answer is Greenland. Question number 11, Indonesia is a country with around dash islands, and the right answer is 17,000. Question number 12, the most dispersed country in the world is, and the right answer is Maldives. Question number 13, which of the following country is not among the quadrilateral security dialogue or Quad? And the right answer is United Kingdom. Question number 14, the region of Tibet is currently under the control of, and the right answer is China. Question number 15, the headquarters of Transparency International is located in, it's located in Berlin. Question number 16, the world's oldest operational space language facility is located in which country? And the right answer is Kazakhstan. Question number 17, the world famous bridge Golden Gate Bridge is located in, and the right answer is San Francisco. Question number 18, which country is known as the land of thousand islands? And the right answer is Indonesia. Question number 19, the famous Iceland, Isles of Man, is a sovereign state of United Kingdom. Question number 20, the world's newest country which was founded on 9th July 2011, South Sudan. Question number 21, Buddhism is the world's fourth largest religion. It is believed to be oriented in, and the right answer is India. Question number 22, the peak of what mountain is farthest from the center of the earth? And the right answer is Chimborazo mountain. Question number 23, which of the following country does not yield veto power in the United Nations Security Council? And the answer is Canada. Question number 24, the World Important Agreement NATO was signed in, and the right answer is 1949. Question number 25, there are 7 continents in the world, and the total area of these 7 continents is, and the answer is 148 million kilometers.